ProjectDIY channel. Today's project, we're going camping at Cave Run Lake. Let's get started. So we are on our way to Twin Knobs Campground on Cave Run Lake in Menifee County? Rowan County. I keep telling you, I'm not good at counties. So Cave Run is a lake that we've frequented quite a few times over the years. We used to live closer to it, and that's actually where we always camped when we had this camper originally, before we fixed it up, or actually before it got damaged. So we love it. It's a nice campground. The lake's beautiful, so we're gonna go there and have a nice weekend. What'd you say?
I don't know if it's right. I said, isn't it in the Daniel Boone National Forest?
That's exactly right. That's where it's at. She don't want to be on camera.
I don't want to have to smile for an hour.
What's up, boss dog?
So what's up, Greg?
So we're sitting here on a campsite with our friends. This is Wayne Keaton, Donna Keaton, Boston Keaton, better known as Boss Dog.
You put your safety goggles on.
Checking out the sunset. Oh yeah, we about to throw down.
Get down with the goodness.
Wayne Keaton, the Blackstone Master.
Come to a city near you.
She just wanted to get on video, didn't she? That's what it was. Shonda's going to tell us what her favorite band is.
Foo Fighters.
What else?
Pearl Jam.
These things have drove us nuts this weekend.
It's my new pet.
It's a Katie don't.
Katie don't.
Yeah, Katie don't jump in our hair.
Donna loves them. Harper!
Oh,
Harper!
that's cute. That turned out good.
Harper!
Yeah.
Every time you try to take a picture of them, they move.
I know. It's like a. Oh, it's like a right.
Harper!
Yeah, I'm trying to get a picture of those.
This kind of stuff makes me mad. Don't litter. It's disgusting. So we gained some new friends here. Let's see, we got Natalie Keaton. Say hi, Natalie.
Hey.
We got Holly Green, Shane Green, and then Wayne and Donna still here. And 2 more dogs. That's Harper. And I forgot, what's her name?
Savannah.
Savannah.
That's Shetland pony.
She's a Shetland pony, is right. Hey, Savannah. Hey, girl. Harper.
You know, her, I hear the music. Yeah, somebody tried to throw close to the.
Sweet.
Yeah. It's a lot better than finding a dirty diaper. Treasure right there.
It's okay, Shane. She just needs to run it out. She's like, get it, girl.
Oh, that's gonna be an awesome slow-mo.
Snake, come on,
Yep.
Savannah. Go.
Yep.
Just in case he's
Snake.
something that.
Right here. Look at him, Greg.
Yep.
He's like your wangle.
Get right here.
Yep.
I don't know.
You seeing good?
Yeah, I don't know what it
kind
is.
is that?
I don't know what
Yeah.
that is.
Right along the rocks there.
Yeah.
You went
Savannah,
underneath
come.
it.
Savannah, come. Hey,
Right there he is.
Oh, look at that. That's good.
what is he? Oh,
Can't
look at
tell.
him.
He's gray.
That's crazy.
He's not poisonous.
He's not? Okay. I just didn't want Savannah around him.
He's not poisonous. He don't have diamond eyes.
He's like, so can I be your dog too, please?
We were on Kentucky River and a copperhead was swimming down. He started freaking out. We were down by Halls and a copperhead was coming across there and she was like taking off. We were
Look at
kayaking.
Shane. Shane's like, no.
I don't like any kayaks either.
He's peeking up to see who's watching him.
I think he's gonna get a big water dog.
Just let her off right.
Let's go take a bike ride. guys, the worst part of a camping trip is when it's over. So we're packed up and headed home. Stopped by Pop's Southern Style Barbecue. Gonna get a bite to eat, and then we're headed home. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell icon. See ya. Yep. Uh-huh. Yep.